rage in your veins, jealousy is the devil. You sip on your cup till your head isn't level now. You feel like you've been alone for so long, and you're trying real hard, yet he just won't love you like you love him. Feeling lonelier when you're with him. You're the girl that he says he's always wanted. He must mistreat the things that he loves. Yeah, you don't deserve another minute of this bullshit story. And I'm sorry, babe. Girl, I'm high in the back of the room, fucking with these models. So many lines on the table, yeah, I feel like I'm lost. In my head yet again, driving down 7, I'm so drunk. Have you ever thought of swerving off the motherfucking sidewalk? All these bitches feel the same on the inside, living life unholy.